A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, this one is your English period. So students, we have done the chapter. The name of this one is the fourth chapter. The name of the chapter is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. So now we already have done the chapter. Now we are going to do the exercise of the chapter. The exercise of the chapter, before doing a question and answer, first of all we'll go through the matchups, true false, and the fill in the blanks. So student, you have to note it down these things in your notebook. Okay, so now let us start with the fill in the blanks. The question, it is in your page number 51 in your book. If you have seen the page number 51 in your English reader, you find out this type of fill in the blanks. This one is the question number second. B part. Read the newspaper report. Read the newspaper report to find the following fact about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. So now we are going to solve this exercise. I already solved it, so I'm going to explain this. All of you know that only whenever you are going to read the chapter, after that it's possible you may be able to give the answer of the questions, because without reading this it's very uh, hard to give the answer of these questions, right? So students, you need to learn the chapter, and after that you have to write the answers of these questions. The first one, date and place of liftoff. Liftoff what? The spacecraft. Date and place of liftoff the spacecraft is 16th June 2003. The second one, number of astronauts on board. How many number of astronauts gone through that year's aircraft, air spacecraft? 7. Total 7 members. 7 astronauts gone for the space to find out and to do the experiment on space. Number of days it stayed in space. Number of days, how many number of days they spend in space? So the answer is 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. Question number 4. Number of experiment done by scientists. How many number of experiment done by the scientist? 80 experiments. Then the next one, date of return journey. When they return to Earth, 1st of Feb 2003. And the last one, height at which it lost contact. 2 lakh feet. When they are 2 lakh feet away from the Earth, they lost the contact from the Earth. So this one is the answers of your B part. Now moving forward to the matchup, you have to note down both the exercise in your notebook, right? Then go through the matchups. Match the following: unprecedentedly space tragedy. The next one is certified flight instructor, space mission, super specialization, encyclopedia knowledge, away inspiring in this age. So I have done this one is for you. So students, you have to do what you have to do. You have to note down the fill-ups and the matchups in your copies, and after that you have to send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. So the first one, matchup: unprecedentedly spaced tragedy is related to a sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. The second one, certified flight instructor. Certified flight instructor, a person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. The third one, space mission, a set of job to be done in space by a group. Then the fourth one, super specialization, nowadays in these times. No, super specialization means great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. It's called super specialization. Encyclopedia knowledge, having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Encyclopedia knowledge means having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Heavy inspiring, something that cause feeling of respect and wonder. Away inspiring means something that cause feeling of respect and honor, wonder. The last one, in this age. In this age means nowadays in these times. So these are the matchups and the fill-ups which you need to do in your fair notebook. And again I am going to explain you the chapter, right? So students, what you need to do is you have to memorize all the fill in the blanks and matchups, because I don't know they are coming in the exam or not, because in the exam fill-ups and matchups are compulsory. They are coming in your exam, so you have to read matchups and the fill in the blanks. Okay, so students, write it down, and after writing it in your copies you have to send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. All of you know my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.